You want to learn how to play Adorn on acoustic? Let me show you how. Alright, Kerry Too Smooth. If you're brand new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and click the bell to be notified so you know that every time that we're dropping a new video. I do not want you to miss out. And as a rule of thumb, I say watch the video all the way through and then go back and rewatch it so that way you can gain the nuggets and the notes that we said in the video, because I don't want you to miss out. It may be a lot of information or maybe new information that you're not familiar with. So I definitely want you to make sure that you're getting all of it, okay? And don't feel bad if you got to rewind it and pause it and stop it. It's okay. That's part of the process because you're learning a new concept. All right, so this song Adorn by Miguel was very popular back in the day. When I say back in the day, I'm not talking about like back in like the early 80s and 90s. It's just like a few years ago. But I really like it. As an acoustic player, you're trying to, for those that are trying to learn how to play R&B on acoustic, this is a great song, a great vibe to really work at. So this song is in the key of D major. So I'm going to be using some sort of hybrid picking when I'm saying, like, I'm not really doing necessarily finger picking style, but I'm kind of like doing some arpeggiation and some kind of plucking. That's the way that I play acoustic. At the end of the day, you need to play it in the best way that you possibly can. You don't have to be a carbon copy, but you can use the techniques that I'm showing you, okay? So the first chord that we're going to play is like an old school G chord, and not the original cowboy chord, but I'm going to modify a little bit so I can hammer on A, B minor, then I'm going to walk it down from that G, E minor. So my E minor may not be as traditional. It may be like E over B. So I'm letting that E rock out on the fattest string and then like hitting that F sharp. Right there, I'm doing this really cool triad movement. So I'm really off of that B minor. So I'm sliding down to that E minor 7 down here. That's essentially all the chords that are in the song. Now it's up to you how you want to work on your feel. Now that's something that you just got to work on, just looping as many times as possible to really work on the feel of the song. But those are the chords that are in the song. So again, it's that G. And I'm not playing the traditional like cowboy chord G. Middle finger is on the thickest string. My pinky is on that B string in the same fret, and then my index finger is hammering on the E string in the second fret. A, B minor, I'm walking it. That same G that I was making. F sharp, E minor. that is Adorn by Miguel. That's how you can play it acoustically. I said it's up to you how you want to work on your feel and your vibe. But I challenge you really just to put your hands in it. The more you can work on it, the better you can make it more percussive. And acoustic, you want to keep that pulse going. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So even if you got to count, it's really important that you're doing that, because that's going to definitely help you in keeping that time and that rhythm and that feel and playing a song like this on acoustic.